sweeter than honey. Money, money, this money, that. Profit will make me wallet fat. What? Profit's down $3 from last month. I gotta start running a tighter ship around here.
Thank you for choosing the Krusty Krab. Here's your change.
Mr. Squidward!
Wow.
What's with all this change nonsense?
Over and under, grab the end, put it through here, up and around the horn, bring it back home.
Alright, that's looking good.
SpongeBob?
Okay.
I ain't paying you to play dress up. Breathe on your own time. I don't pay you to breathe.
Oh my fucking god. Okay.
That reminds me.
Alright, that was too fucking close. Holy shit.
Yes, our
Wow.